Okay, so now we're going to go through diaphragmatic breathing in the supine position. So you'll notice just at rest, the rib cage is going to want to be cranial, so it's going to want to be up towards the head. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to breathe out and relax and slowly drop the rib cage down to the floor. So let the rib cage go right down to the floor. Good, just let it sink in. Good. Now when we bring our next breath in, we're going to draw our air down into the lower abdomen and expand out through the sides. So go ahead, Kev. Breathe into here. Beautiful. And now you're going to keep that there when you breathe out. Go ahead. Perfect. And again, into here. And out. So what you're going to see is a nice even expansion of the whole abdominal cavity without the rib cage lifting and without the upper abdominals lifting. That when that leg goes out.
Oh my God.